Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about how to balance the redox reaction by using the oxidation number method. Let's we go to the concept with the help of one example. For that, I taken the reaction permanganate Mn4 negative. When react with the bromide negative ion, it gives magnesium dioxide plus borate ion. This reaction carried out in the basic medium. This reaction carried out in the basic medium. So let's see how to balance this equation by using the oxidation number method. The step 1, we have to identify the oxidation number of the each and every elements. Let's first we will start from the magnesium. Magnesium Mn O4 negative. For this compound, so what is the oxidation state of the Mn? Oxygen we know that is a -2. Always mostly it was -2. So X we will consider the Mn is a X plus the oxidation state of the oxygen is -2. So there is a 4 oxygens are there. So we have to multiply with 4 equal. There is a negative charge is carried in this polyatomic ion. So that we have to write -1. So if you derive this, we will get X is -8 is equal to -1, X is equal to +8 -1, X is equal to 7, we will get +7. So the Mn oxidation state is +7. Oxygen is 2 -2. Now bromide ion, it is in the form of single atom, single ion, the monoatomic ion. So that is the reason we have to write the what charge it is carrying, that is the oxidation state of this element. So that is the -1 is the oxidation state of this element. Now let's we calculate the oxidation state of the Mn from the magnesium oxide. MnO2. The same method, Mn we are considering X. Oxygen, there is a 2 oxygens are there, so -2 multiplied by 2. So 1 oxygen -2, so there is a 2 oxygens are there, so multiplying is equal to, so what is there is no charge, it is a neutral compound, so that is the reason we are writing 0. If you derive this, we will get X is equal to +4. So what is the oxidation state? +4. Oxygen is -2. Now let's we have to calculate the bromide Br. PrO3 from bromide from borate we have to calculate. Here we are considering X. Oxygen, how many oxygens are there? 3 oxygens. So -2 multiplied by 3 is equal to, so what is the charge it is carrying? -1. So -1. So X is equal to, what is that? We will get the +6 -1. X is equal to +5. The oxidation state of this atom is +5. We completed the step 1. Now we are going to going to the step 2. The step 2, we have to identify the which element is undergoing the oxidation, which element is undergoing the reduction. So oxidation means when the element losing the electron, it is called oxidation. Reduction means when the elements gain the electron, then this reaction is called reduction. So let's see which one is reduced, which one is oxidized. Mn plus 7. Mn plus 7 converting into Mn plus 4. Let's see. Mn plus 7. What is mean by Mn plus 7? Mn, magnesium, 7 electron loosed. After what happening? After the reaction, Mn loosed 4 electron only. It means from this state, if it is wanted to become this state, it will have to gain the 3 electron. Then only it can become Mn plus 4. So what is happening? It is gaining the electron. So it is a reduction. This process is the reduction. How many electron gaining? 3 electron gaining. Now let's see which one is undergoing the oxidation. Br minus 1 ion converting into Br plus 5. Or it is converting into Br. The oxidation minus 1 to plus. So if it is the Br minus 1 to 2 plus 5, it should be, what is the meaning of minus 1? It gained 1 electron. But after the reaction, it was loosed some electron and converting into plus. How many electron it have to lose for plus 5 state? 6 electron. Then only it can be able to come to the plus 5 state. So now this reaction is the oxidation. This reaction is oxidation. How many electron it is losing? 6 electron. 6 electron, 3 electron. So from here we can justify the given reaction is the redox reaction. There is oxidation as well as the reduction taken place. Now let's see the third step. Third step, how many electron gained? 3 electron gained. How many electron lost? 6 electron. So when a reaction taken place, the number of electron gaining and losing, it should be equal. So for balancing that, we have to cross multiply the oxidation. How many electron oxidized? That number with the reduction reaction you have to multiply, and with the reduction one you have to multiply with the oxidation. So here the ratio of the reduction and the oxidation. So what is the reduction? How many electron reduced? 3. And what is the oxidation? 6. The ratio is 3:6. So if you cancel out, 1:2. So if the electron reduced 1 electron, how many electron losing? 2. So if you cross multiply this, the reduction 1 here and the oxidation 2, we have to write here. And now the number of electron losing and gaining is equal, because only one borate, that is a bromide ion, 6 electron losing, and here 2 Mn was 1 Mn 3 electron, therefore 2 6. So now the number of electron losing and gaining is equal. Now the step 3, other than the oxygen and hydrogen, we have to add the coefficient for balancing the elements. So look at the other than oxygen and hydrogen, what are the elements? Bromide and magnesium elements are there. So magnesium, how many is there? 2. Here how many is there? Only 1 is there. So if now we are at 2. So now Br1 and Br1. So now other than oxygen and hydrogen, all the elements are balanced. Now we have to balance the oxygen. So oxygen, for balancing the oxygen in the basic medium, we have to add the OH negative ion, which side oxygen is deficient. Look at which side is oxygen is deficient. Let's I am writing one more time this reaction. Br1O4 negative plus Br gives 2 Br1O2 plus Br3 negative. So which side is oxygen deficient? 4 to 8, 8 is there, 2 to 4 and 3, 7 is there, this side is deficient. So in the basic medium, for balancing the oxygen, we have to add the OH negative ions. What we have to add? OH negative. Now oxygen balance. For balancing the, now we have to balance the hydrogen. For balancing the hydrogen, which side is hydrogen deficient, that side we have to add the water molecule. In the same amount of the water, how much amount we are adding the water molecule, same amount you have to add the OH negative opposite side. So look at hydrogen, that side 1, this side nothing is there. So we have to add the one water molecule here. And the same amount of the OH we have to add here. So both are the OH, so we can write it 2 OH negative, 2 OH negative ion. So now look at this. Now our equation is balanced. Look at M1 is 2, M1 2, and oxygen 4 to 8 and 9. How much is there? 4, 3, 7, 7 to 9. Now hydrogen is 2 is there. Here also hydrogen 2. Br is 1. There is 1. Now our equation is balanced. Whatever we discussed, this is the oxidation number method to balance the redox reaction in the basic medium.